Class 5, how are you? This is your math lecture. Book is New Countdown Book 5. I'm your teacher, Miss Zoya. Today we are going to start our first chapter, Numbers and Arithmetic Operation. Dear student, let us understand the meaning of the chapter. Dear students, we use different numbers in our daily life. Numbers are used for counting objects. There are four types of arithmetic operations, namely plus, minus, multiply, divide. We use these numbers and arithmetic operations to perform our everyday mathematics. In this chapter, we use numbers and all four operations to find out the addition and subtraction of these numbers, to find out the place value of the number. As students, our first chapter is about the place value system of numbers, so we will perform an activity to understand the meaning of place value system. Place value tells us about the actual value of a number. So today we will perform the activity which is related to place value system. Dear students, I found a treasure, but I don't know its place value. So for that I have made a table and I will place this treasure in the given boxes. For example, when I find out ones, I will place it in the ones column like that. If I found out tens, I will place it in the tens column. And if I found 100, then I'll place it in 100 column and so on. You can see that I have placed ones in the ones column, tens in the tens column, 100 in the hundreds column, and 1000 in the thousand column, 10,000 in the 10,000 column. Now I have 1, 2, 3. Three ones. 1, 2, 3, 5 tens, 4 hundreds, 3 thousands cards and 2 10,000 cards. So let me write it in numbers. So there are 3 ones, 5 tens, 4 hundreds, 3 thousands and 2 10,000s. So from arranging our numbers in a correct place, from arranging our cards in a correct place value, we can easily find out the actual number, means actual place value of a number, like 3 is at unit place, 5 is at tens place, 4 is at hundred place, 3 is at thousand place, and 2 is at 10,000 place, and it will read it as 23,453. 23,453. The number at the 10,000 place and the number at the 1000 place will read it as combinedly 23,000 and then 453. So students, I hope you understand how we create place value of a number how we decide that certain number is occur at which place value. From if we learn place value table and understand it, we can easily find out bigger to bigger numbers with their place values. So students, try this activity at home, and you can use different flashcards of and write numbers in the same way, and you will place them in their correct order, and then you will find out their combined place values. Allah Hafiz.